Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to go over upgrading our tongue jack to an electric tongue jack. This is going to be super helpful when we're using our weight distributing hitch, and it's just a lot better than hand cranking one of these tongue jacks. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to need some way to hold up the trailer while we're taking the manual tongue jack off and putting on an electric one. A couple of things you can do. You can back your tow vehicle up and hook the trailer up to it. That's a great way to do it. Or we could use a jack stand like we're going to use today. So we're going to go ahead and just expose the base of the tongue jack here. And then I'm going to go ahead and extend the height of my tongue jack. Raise it up. Lower it back down. Make sure all weight's off the trailer. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is just loosen the bolts on the tongue jack here. They're generally a 9/16. Okay. And then just lift the tongue jack right out. Okay, so here we have our brand new electric tongue jack. As you can see, it's got the same mounting pattern as the manual tongue jack that we just removed. Gonna go ahead and slide that on in there. Get our bolts. I like to start my bolts by hand so we make sure we don't get them cross-threaded. Make sure we get all of them started. All right, now that we've got all the bolts started, we're going to go ahead and crank them on down. Perfect. All right, and as you see on this tongue jack here, it's only got one wire, and that's just a power wire. The tongue jack actually picks up its ground through the mounting hardware. Okay, so out of the box, this already came stripped, so we're just going to grab a terminal end, go ahead and put that right over the stripped wire, get our crimper, crimp that guy nice and snug, and then we're going to check it, make sure it's grabbing real good. Trim the zip ties. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and just route this wire back to our batteries. Alrighty, and we just want to make sure we got a positive post here, negative post here. We're going to hook it to the positive post. So we put our terminal on the positive post of the battery. Go ahead and tighten that down, and let's give it a test. Okay, so we have a light. Our light's working, and we'll hit extend. That'll run our tongue jack all the way down. All right, that jack's working great. Follow the link in the description if you want to try to find a tongue jack just like this one, and remember to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.